So exactly what is our unique carpet cleaning free trial offer? Well, here at ACS, we're just a small family business, just me, Perry, my wife, Marina, and my daughter, Jasmine. Well, being a small family business, we can give our customers a more personal, individual service than those large franchises that just treat customers as a number rather than a person. Part of our more personal service is our free trial. So when you contact a carpet cleaner to clean your carpets, they may seem very nice. They may seem to know what they're doing, and the price they quote you may seem fair for the work to be done. And you may be thinking, well, yes, Perry, that's exactly what I'm looking for. And of course, you'd be right. Except there's one very important thing missing. You see, you may have a nice person, even me, come to see you. You may be impressed with what they know, and you may find the price acceptable. But you still don't know what your carpet will look like after the cleaning until it's done. And then you're presented with the bill. So I thought about this for a while, and I had some different ideas. First, there's the old "I'll be thorough" or "it's free" guarantee that's been around for many decades now. But thorough is not the same thing as a lovely, clean looking carpet. Then there's the "we'll get everything out we can" guarantee. And of course, we would all do that, wouldn't we? But that deal still doesn't show you how your carpets will look. So I struggled with this for some time. In fact, it came to me when I was test driving a car. The thing is, car dealers know that if they can get you into a car and you drive it and you like how it feels, you're impressed with how it performs, then you'll be much more likely to buy it, right? Well, from the customer's point of view, it's great because you can try it before you buy it. So you already know how the car feels, you know how it performs before you part with any money, and that's a great thing. Well, I liked that idea, and I thought, well, how can I help my customers before they buy? And that's why I created my free trial offer. You can try our carpet cleaning before you buy. Here's how it works. First, we come by and we see your carpets. This is so that we can find the best way to give you a really great job. We have different systems and different products for different carpets and different problems. And coming to see your carpets will enable us to give you the best result possible. You also get to meet us and check us out too. We'll test some areas of your carpet with some of our products, and we'll have a good look at everything to make sure which way will give you the best clean. And then we'll provide you with a written quote. At this point, we can tell you what kind of results you can expect. You can't do that on the phone. But next comes the best bit. If you'd like to have us come and clean your carpets, we'll arrange a date and we'll put it in the diary. On the day, we'll clean a large area for you to see how it looks. You can see how clean and how bright it is and how fresh it smells. Now, if you're not happy for any reason, we won't even press you for why. We'll just pack away our equipment and leave, and the cleaning is completely free. You won't be asked to pay 1 penny. Of course, I know you'll be delighted and you'll want us to continue and finish the cleaning. That's why I popped round to see you and look at it. But only if you're happy for us to do so. And that's my version of try before you buy. And I don't know any other carpet cleaner that does that. So I suppose that makes ACS unique. If you'd like to take advantage of my free trial offer, simply call, text or email me and we'll get things started. I look forward to talking carpet cleaning with you.